how to check all devices you are signed in with your Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to know which devices are currently signed in with your Uber Eats account, well, in this video I'll show you exactly where to check that in just few simple taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the account icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Manage Uber Account. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Uber account settings page. Now here at the top, you can see the several tabs. So from there, simply tap on the option labeled as Security. So from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Android phone. So here simply tap on it, and after that it will show you the all details about the device type, last active time, and sometimes the location. So here you can review this list to make sure you recognize them all. And if you see any suspicious activity, you can log out of that season or tap on log out from all devices to remove instantly everywhere. So that's it. That's how you can check all the device signed in to your Uber Eats account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.